ever since that stupid movie Pitch Perfect came out, everyone thinks that all you would have to do to sing a song would be meet your friends in an alleyway, and then I would be like, Piper, just pick a song you want us to sing.
Sledgehammer.
Is that one by? Okay, yeah, we could do that. And then I'd be like, Kristen, do you have your pitch pipe on you? And she would just like start, why don't you just play some random notes, just start playing some, all that. And you know what, let's just do no solo on this song. And then I would just be like, oh, okay, let's just do it. 1, 2, 3.
You take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledge.